Hello guys, today we are taking a look at the LG 34SR60QC-W 34-inch QHD Curved Smart Monitor. If at any point you want to learn more or grab one at a great price, check out the links below. This 34-inch ultra-wide display delivers a sharp 3440 by 1440 QHD resolution with a 21:9 aspect ratio, giving you way more screen space than a standard monitor. The 1800R curve gently wraps around your field of view, making work sessions, movies, and even casual gaming feel more immersive and engaging. With HDR10 support and 99% sRGB coverage, colors look vibrant and accurate whether you're editing content or streaming your favorite shows. What really makes this stand out is the built-in smart platform. With WebOS on board, you can jump straight into apps like Netflix and Prime Video without connecting a PC. It even supports AirPlay too, so sharing content from your Apple devices is quick and seamless. For productivity, you get multiple HDMI ports, USB connectivity, and built-in speakers for a clean, all-in-one setup. One thing to note, the Magic Remote is sold separately, which some users may want for easier navigation. Overall, this monitor blends productivity and entertainment beautifully. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.